Okay, today we are going to make Halloween dirt cake. We need 32 ounces of chocolate sandwich cookies, a bag of gummy worms, a package of Milano cookies, half a cup of powdered sugar, 2 packages of instant vanilla pudding, 8 ounces of cream cheese, food dye, half a cup of salted butter, 12 ounces of frozen whipped topping thawed, a can of pre-made vanilla frosting, 3.5 cups of milk, and then you're going to need 2 bowls and a whisk and a spoon to mix with, and then we have 4 glasses for serving it in. Okay, let's get started. You just take your chocolate sandwich cookies, you put them in a Ziploc bag. If you have a food processor, you can use that too, and you just mash them up until they're ground up really well, and that'll be our dirt. Took our vanilla frosting and then put it in a Ziploc bag and added food coloring. We did blue, red, and green, and we just mixed it all together to get this funky grayish green color for our tombstone that we're going to decorate on the Milano cookies. The next step, we're going to take half a cup of powdered sugar, mix it together with half a cup of butter, which is 2 sticks, and then the 8 ounces of cream cheese in a bowl. Measure out half a cup of powdered sugar and then add it to the bowl with the cream cheese and butter. And then just start mixing. Okay, so this is our butter, cream cheese, and powdered sugar mixture all creamed together. And then we're going to measure out our whipped cream. We have 12 ounces of whipped cream, 3.5 cups of milk, and now we are going to add the pudding mix into our big bowl, and then add our milk to that. And now just whisk about 2 minutes until it's thick. Our pudding mixture is starting to get thick now, so we're going to add the whipped cream to it. And you just kind of want to fold it in so it doesn't lose its fluffiness. Mix it until it is pretty much completely combined. Add the cream cheese and butter mixture to that, and it's pretty thick, so okay, so we take our frosting and pipe it onto our Milano cookies to make our tombstones. You can make it say any Halloween thing you want. This one is gonna say boo. You could put rest in peace. We're gonna take a spoon and just add a layer of the chocolate sandwich cookies that are all crushed up for a layer of our dirt. And you want a pretty thick layer on the bottom. And then we're going to take a spoonful of the pudding and butter and cream cheese mixture and just try to get it as neatly as you can into the glass. And then take probably about 2 or 3 big scoops of it. And then just shake it a little bit to even it out a little to make a layer. And then just repeat with another layer of cookie. It's okay if it's not perfect because it's dirt. And just spread it out. And then I'm going to put a little bit more cookie on this side. And then you just repeat it with one more layer of the pudding mixture and another layer of cookies. After we finish our layering, top layer of cookie, and then we put in our gummy worm, got them peeking out there, and then our tombstone, you just nestle it right in like that, and maybe add a little bit more cookie, finish it off, and it's done. Now it's time to taste test what we did.